On the island of Sodor, the trucks have hit Gordon off the tracks. Gordon waited for help, but no one came except Toby. He came to clear up the mess. "Bust my buffer," said Toby. "Don't worry, Gordon. We'll get you out."
"Thanks, Toby." But I'm getting sick too. Just from the smell of coal, I can't take it anymore.
"Don't worry. We'll help you," said Toby. Toby buffered up to Gordon, and he pulled him back onto the rails. He was still sick, but part of the coal dust was on Gordon. "Now we'll just wait for Harvey to clean up the trucks," said Toby. "Any second now. I think I'll go find him."
Please find him. Toby!
"Hi, Gordon." Okay, said Toby. "There's Harvey. He's going to clean up the mess." Now let me see. Oh my gosh, what the heck happened? What kind of creator would let this happen? Well, it was the trucks banged Gordon on his buffers and they were broken. Oh dear, Gordon caused this? No, he didn't cause it. The trucks caused it. Oh my gosh, they created this mess. This is like... These trucks are like destroyed. Yeah, they pretty much are destroyed. And look! These tracks are like destroyed. I mean, look at the railway. It's like destroyed. Who would have done such a thing? The trucks did. Well, oh dear, I'm so not picking this up. I am just not gonna pick this up. I am so not picking this up. Well, you're gonna have to. It's so gross. Look at it. There's coal everywhere on the tracks. How am I supposed to clean this up if I have coal blocking my line? Right, I can't even get my hook to reach the trucks. It's not even working. And if I got over the coal, I would come off the rails.
Harvey, will you hurry up?
Okay, Gordon, I'll try. The mess took a while. Gordon was so impatient. They got the trucks on the tracks. But one of them had been filled with coal. Well, I finally got the mess cleared. I have some good news and bad news, guys. "What's the good news?" said Toby. "The good news is I finally got the trucks on the rails. The bad news is I can't clean up the coal, and I'm pretty much this line's gonna have to be closed." "No, you're kidding, right?" "No, I'm serious. The line's gonna have to be closed because the coal is the thing that was standing the trucks up, and I can't clean it completely." "Well, can you at least try?" "Well, I don't know if I can. My hook can't even pick up coal. So it's gonna be closed forever?" "Well, not forever. Let's not say forever. Let's just say the trucks are just on the tracks Okay? Okay, well, come on, Gordon, I think we should go. Yeah. Well, bye, Harvey. Yeah, bye. Well, I'm gonna stay here picking up all the coal that was left on the tracks.